We are outside our studios. Ye ni fie, send ye ene da no. And ye den sem na eba no ano stories for the heart. Uni akoma mention video we. Good evening. We have the exclusives for you. Today I paid a visit to Adakweja. A visit to Adakweja. Now, after my visit, may a course be. Now, one she for the first time we a heated seobed. Ebi awe heaty or punch for the first time. Intimodie for you to understand the entire many be brave from and many or corner for you to understand it. I want you to watch this video, the visit to Adakweja. I want you to watch it. Watch everything. When I'm done, and the time factor, me nkoni bebre, but nyame ya adomo watchna, nyame ma yenkwane yetenasia. We have a lot to tell some people. So, training video, a lot of things. So you watch this video, watch the visit to Adakweja. When I'm done, me aba fire. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And welcome to Sober TV. This video is being recorded, and possibly we'll play it in the evening for all of you to watch. Currently, as we are speaking, so we're here Kumasi Asante Kotoko, your training grounds. Adakweja to be precise. Now, and area there are two things that we are going to do. We are going to give you an update on the Adakweja project. You can't say Enyoma is steady kakra, but most of you keep on asking the questions. So we wanted to give you visuals of what is happening here. And again, Kotoko Airbo against RTU. The Kumasi Babaya Sports Stadium on Sunday. We are also going to give you a tour on exactly what is going to happen and how the team will be preparing themselves for the task ahead. We also bring you that today on Silver TV. So it's going to be more. And in the evening, when we are pushing the video out, I'm sure you are going to get the best of the best like we've been doing now. We are going to do it again. We come to the grounds, we speak to the sources, we speak to the people involved, we get you the right evidence. Say, baby, I will share a free piano. You bring out value for money or data what they are share a yes over TV. When you come, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to it, because this is where we go down, so down to the extent that you would enjoy facts and proper evidence. Sober TV. So we are here. The name is Over the Champion, Sober TV. Now, your mama stories nibi, and present a crime free her. Now, the Adakweja wants some yabahande, we are going to get you all the news. But interestingly, this morning in our video that we published, we talked about Rashid Norte. We talked about the NCC, Asante Kotoko NCC, and promo for Kotoko RTU game, no, where I strongly believe say our form kakra and Fabu sensors and a whole lot of things that we talked about. Now, one thing that I can tell you from where I'm standing and from what I know is that Asante Kotoko financially need the help of the fans. And yes, Kotoko is broke, but in penny for crassi a poor in Sotogum. A pokrano in Sotogum. And you're a fan of Asante Kotoko, you just can't leave the club alone. Because idea Fabiani diska and so from where we are standing and when I look at this place, me share environment, so I strongly believe that you're a fan of Kotoko, your contribution should be up and coming. As at this point in time, I'm waiting for the team to come. Maybe I almost a month. I don't know whether they've started using the facility. If I get to see they are using it, that will be positive. But if they are not using, that means Asante Kotoko still have a lot of things that they are lacking at the training grounds. The IMC, they are doing their best. Sources of raising revenue. We'll go down, we'll look at the tour and all the other things. But you realize that if you're a Kotoko fan and you are contributing something financially to the club will definitely need it. mo share training materials some de bi kɔ but o share Kotoko as a big club with one a pitch it still calls for more. And I'm not saying that you admit me that cry here. But what I'm trying to say is that the Fabu census is a laudable idea a buyer to raise revenue from the fans to help Asante Kotoko financially. In the virtual seat, credit goes to the past management for that initiative. New system you take over, they've not abandoned it. Into your own quota, you can contribute because club nankasa sika or their banner. Say their supporters they ban it me ekita for the finances, the day-to-day run and the operational cost. Any idea? Club bit me bi I investment papa. Ewa da kojache amanioma koye. The place is not bushy. I say we are even in the Hamatan. It's grass nankasa na ho odin to saying, but that's not what I'm trying to say. But the level of development, in some kakra ewo ho. So let's also contribute. There's not a time I ever pointing fingers and a management way by one, yet management way by. No, that's not the point that I'm trying to make here. My point is very simple. Let's all contribute. Initiative, governance, a continuous process. It's a management we not the baby shasia. Untimi nkasa management in a call. And unti ade papa no mo ye na e nyina ebo mabaso no. On so engusunsuo ema ade ni nyini. So your contribution, which is the Fabu census, very, very necessary that you need to give your quota. And also the virtual seat, especially for those who cannot come to the stadium. You do your best to contribute. Send a club where you're financially sound. Na weka kanebeda beba dakoja no. You are seeing more of development. Ewo hasi. Now let's continue the tour. And then about tour. I see two things in Tina. And then yaba hasi. So let's continue our tour. Now with our tour, no. If you are watching the place, this building has been there for a very long time. As a management member, I toured this particular building. Now let's move around. That's what most of you have been asking for. You want to see videos and the Kojachi project. There is no machine at this point. Maybe I nanti edruna utumu say we no rocks we ne kakrana ebu no. We convert chippings and egu hasi. No war ni hasi, like you all know, this poly tank which was built, and I think a donation, if my memory serves me right, it was a donation. I'm paying for I think some of the supporters. I think that would be on the other side. Me share the other side. I mean, it's still here intact. Now let's go to where the project started. That is what most of you have been waiting for. Young koho na young found komono. From project emfa embro inti some penifo abodru on some abodru into grass na share. Now let's try and go to the project itself. The last time so be TV me boy no ba say video no the brem we did not post the video because now we were looking for the right time to post it. It looks like now almost every day there was something else that we were giving you guys and hold on to it. Now video ne ba no sene etie no sana the second project and that's so etie into tumus anwa kakra company fo be use no bi nie ene che materials also am ka say chip omo the chips chippings be gu so that was the next stage so yes, this is it. Idea we bricks we ni din buy me din pa now let's talk about the other Kojachi project. So this is where we are now, baby. Project na baby drew any. It is currently at this stage. There's bricks way I'm penning for a day. A car park no hushia and one that's so ultimately level no mapijam. They've raised the level from somewhere around here. That was where that parking ended somewhere around here. So it ended around, let's say here. So based on the new one, I can say it's not the size, or maybe demarcated area or mobile area. then the rest will follow. One more day, other things goes. When you step on this place, you realize that it's very compact. A very compact. So now this is it. Where we are now. Leveled. From where I'm standing, it looks leveled. It means I say baby leveled area. But from what my source told me here, say key leaders in Asante Kotoko are not pleased with the size of the pitch. Majina Baba I had that here. I think from what I'm seeing, it looks, but see the Baba I had here, dear. The Baba I had here, dear. Then I think say emu etia kakra. The Baba I had pitch. The Baba I had pitch. Maybe I mean so ujina ha. Otu eni out say emu wakakra. As compared to we no to eni who say emu wasa. And even you can see even this side. If I'm comparing to pitch winner, I think this one is bigger than the demarcated area. And I'm saying, I know say, kakra. And it looks small to some extent. Your source na catcher me say penny for lines ni your mom say iswa. And that's why they've told the contractor to pause. Because they need to demarcate the area and open it kakra. Say I think it will help. But if you are comparing this to the Baba Sports Stadium, I think say it's kakra. If you are comparing this to Park Wena looks bigger than this. That is what I can tell you based on my observation. Let's take a tour. Yemfa Park, say there, a swastatifu. A swastatifu, utimu say, a so efu. And but like I said, the place looks very compact. Very compact. Inti edaha bench 1 in here. Bench 1 in here. And a bench 2 no dugout 2 no so na hono. Inti this is what it is. But this is what it is. And this is what we can tell you here on Selber TV. We still have to talk to our sources to find out what exactly can happen. But I think they probably started it. That's this side. I'll show you that side. But that's a major. That is it. The other project. That side now to say. As my year, you may be kakra, but they've stopped it. This is my 2 in and found. This particular chip is no matter found. And for now, it is there, and there's nothing. Nobody is here. Because the last time I'm a boy in the bar, and there were people here. Now for how more year Juma. And there were 2 guys here. Every time they were here to monitor things. Now there's nobody here. And that is the state of that the Kwajache. AstroTurf now campaigning for Bayan. So let's leave it. I think you are informed on what is going on. Mama Bisa Bisano. You answered it. Now the second thing that we'll do here is the training campaigning for Bayan, where we'll get the details of the training and we'll give you what exactly is going on today at the Kwajache Sports Complex. My name again is Obere Champion. You can call me Sober. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We a freestyle version in Tiano Afanasa. Training Baswa. And I don't know whether I'll post this video in the afternoon or in the evening. But with time that I'll post, just know that we come to where the action is happening and we get you the best of information. Until we meet again. Bye-bye. Now, you all watched the video. Asante Kotoko news net transfer and nenye transfer asem kra. So be don say oba na madi kan ka de o ha kiro enye transfer asem. Meboa ni nyina no de abramo kina. First and first. Upstart from a next Friday or next week Friday. Some of us want to see changes in our Kwajache project. Some of us want to see changes where the interest of Kotokontia. First observation I'm here after paying a visit to the venue is that indeed, just like Yebeka Chremeno, I'm a Kawahano, the size of the pitch has been reduced. Demarcation confirmed it has been reduced. In Penifuni Jehon. Good. And a first observation. It is not a standard one. And yes, standard. So whoever is in charge, only exactly according to plan. And yes, first time. And yes, standard. And personalities bi okotoko ase na me kan na wia no. Me kan na o mani nje ho. First time. Second thing, the pace with which project na air course is slow. Pace ni mum peja. Let me even come back to the first one before I even move on to other things. One, the size of the pitch. Opinion, ye Kotoko projector, ye ne kese o minimum no o ma ho ahona. Kompo no ya o ye ne kese o kasa na agigim. Pitch no e once and for all. The pitch before pitch na wo ho no was a pitch constructed by MTN together with Dr. Kwame Chi. A bona fide property na enyandi even 10 years. Dr. Kwame Chi man kwa by about 7 years. So the pitch na endi even 5 years in ampenifo changes by the so. So if you are constructing a new one after that one now it should be an upgrade of the oil. Size na mi ko hu yen that na e wo ho na so bebre chen foforo no. So the amodi atwa ho asia na esem yi na mo de kwa akire na mo biem. Esem yi de kwa akire na mo biem. Because adwuma ogumu ye no. Enya adwuma ketwa. Nti ye move players ni free sa pitch no so. Na envo mo mba ha when you are done na be ketwa. Meet the size of that na one because the new one, the old one, it's bigger than the new one. And at the end, the way of so personally, I was not happy with the size. And I'm not sure say for the company for they are happy to whoever is in charge. And next week Friday, whoever is in charge must start doing the right thing. Must start doing the right thing. Number 2. When come kasa me no chena video no se me di kan yi achem to dem mbobo ho mo dem ndwene ho why you people should think about and watch it some hwe to the nyame ya admo chena for time factor ntia but number 2 no de ese meka pace now project na course no enye I won't wait for anybody to come and say it. Some of us the bomb penifo abaso when the project started say it was a good one. What I say? Yeah, but first time we project ni who the echo. Yeah, but first time we project ni who the echo. Tomorrow, God willing, in your time, they will show your course now to understand why the project is delaying. Because pace, we expected that even in 2-3 months it should be done. The same because I made it found call back could be a year, they made it no. And no crown washing until I may pay more time just for the Adakojachi project. May pay more time just for the project. Ogumjo fans, only a technical team, IMC Monjemo fans. And the training now and I was impressed with how things are flowing. We'll bring the training news tomorrow on China. So China best special feature just on the Adakojachi project. Because we want positive for Kotoko. But they do baby a wow pepper no. Se nipa ne nan no we pra na yo wa agin se umia ikuru ne bi betwa nipa ne nan. Nti bu a wo pe nipa ne yie so umia ne kuru no kakra. What you say so umia na dey aduru gum. Na netimi bua no me kuru ne mu. To the two way wow just think about it. But for airborne preseason game against Future Stars in the G Park na so. Yabo 15 Premier League matches. Aka 2 project no one say near here 15 aka 2 one say near project near here and away from that The size of the pitch in Impon has been reduced. Menkasa bebre. Say Gusu ye course. I went there for a purpose. Gusu ye course. Na from China training news ni nyina wa ha. Players best started based on training wa ha. Players fit any omo mo fit or me ha. Ma me mam ba ko bi kura. O de ani nyina emfa nko China. Nti de wo ho no. Why? Na men come on. Na share the video. Comment. Muma mun comment. Na mbo ama bibia nko ye wa Asante Kotoko. We shall meet. Bye bye. So the Kotoko team is in to have their afternoon training.